Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T-Man bringing you another video today, and we have a package from Casetify. Now, if you're not sure who Casetify is, man, I did a video for the iPhone XS Max cases. Very, very nice quality cases, have plenty of designs, and I'll link it above, man. And one thing about them, they might have the best presentation when they send out packages, man. This presentation, always love a good presentation, like I tell you on my channels, man. So they always win me over when they send a good presentation right here. So let's go ahead and take it out, and let's just see what we got here, man. Let's go ahead. I think I know what it is. Not 100% sure. I really have not looked at this package yet, man. So let's go ahead and take it out. Boom. All right. So it definitely looks like we have some. We got a little thank you card. Thank you for choosing Casetify. Cool. And it looks like we have. Let's go ahead and. You gotta take your time with this. Now I know you were like, "Will you hurry up with the packaging, man? Like you doing a little bit too much." But boom, man, we got some Apple Watch bands. Now these things look very, very nice, pretty dope. You already know I rock the Apple Watch Series 4. Now I have not done a video on this, man. If you wanted me to do a video on this, let me know. I just didn't do a video. I didn't do an unboxing or anything, man. So if you want to see a video on it, let me know down in the comments below. But let's go ahead and check them out. So let's go ahead and get all these out, man. Let's just pull all these out and all right, if I can. All right, this is trying to troll me right now. Let's get all these out, man. Let me go ahead and clear this desk off. All right, so we finally got them all laid out, man. I took my Apple Watch Series 4 off. I got the tan line out, man, so you know it's real. So let's go ahead and jump into these one at a time, and let's just I always have a problem of where I'm gonna put things. Let's go ahead and start off with this one because I'm gonna come to that one last, man. That one is a little special to me. But here we go, man. Here is the first band we're gonna take a look at, man. Nylon Apple Watch band, 42 mil. You already see the packaging, man. Very nice packaging. So let's go ahead and slide it up out of here. Now I'm assuming this is gonna be very similar to your nylon band that you can pick up from Apple. You know, I never had a nylon band. But, you know, this is my first one, man. So we're just going to go ahead and check it out real quick. So basically what you expect, you get some nylon material, man. You get that black going around the outside. You get your clasp. Nothing much to say, man. You get some little Casetify branding right there on the edge of that. So that's a pretty nice little touch, too. So let's go ahead and get this Apple Watch up out of this regular sport band. I'm not rocking any fancy bands, man. I think I have a few leather bands, sport band, and that's kind of all I'm rocking when it comes to my Apple Watches. So let's go ahead and slide. Boom, let's slide that one in, right? Boom. All right, cool. So here it is on the Apple Watch Series 4, man. Very nice nylon. If you want to rock a nylon look, it's a pretty cool look, man, if you're into the nylon, if you're into this material. So let's go ahead and slap it on the wrist, see how it fits on the wrist. So here it is on the wrist, man. Nylon Casetify Apple Watch band. Looks very cool, man. I mean, what is it to say? It's a nylon band. It looks very good, and I'm pretty sure they have many different color alternatives on their website, man, because Casetify has many designs. So definitely check them out if you're interested in a nylon band. Get plenty of size adjustments, and you get that little Casetify branding right there. Very nice touch, man. So here is the nylon band. All right, next up, let's take a look at the Saffiano leather, man. Apple Watch band, 42 mil. Saffiano leather. Like I said, man, compatible with series 1 through 4. So it doesn't matter what size you have, man. It's all going to be compatible. So it's a dope little leather band right here, man. So I'm a really fan of the leather bands, and this just switch it up. You hear those bars right there, man. A little fan of the leather band, yo. So here it is, man. Nice leather design here. So on the front side, you get that kind of, certain material. You get that fatigue, but when you flip it on the inside, man, that's where you feel that very nice quality leather. So that's a very nice little touch, and I'm pretty sure it has some Casetify branding there if I can let the light pick it up. So you get that nice Casetify branding, and once again, man, that fatigue is that's a dope little design right there. So let's go ahead and slide it in. Boom. And here it is on the Apple Watch Series 4. Now, I really think this is a very good look, man, with that color fatigue. It's a nice little subtle fatigue. Has neutral colors like me, because I'm not really a big fan of like brown fatigue and green. I like subtle colors, blues, grays, and that's exactly what this has. So let's go ahead and slap it up on the wrist real quick. Boom. Now, here it is on the wrist. Apple Watch Series 4. Once again, you get plenty of adjustments, man. You get this nice little buckle design. Feels good. Very light, comfortable. Saffiano leather, man. Casetify, man. Very nice band. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm really gonna be rocking this one a lot, man, because this is right in the area of the neutral colors that I like, man. So I'm definitely gonna be wearing this one, man. So if you're interested in it, Casetify, one of their Saffiano leather bands, man. All right, staying with the Saffiano band, we basically have another design right here, but this one is a little special, man, and a huge shout out for Casetify. I see you. I see what you did here, man. Y'all really trying to win me over, man, but these are my initials. You know, I'm not going to tell you my name, but that is my initials, man, right here, man. So that's a nice little touch. When I first saw this band, I was like, okay, you know, it got some initials up there, you know what I mean, or whatever that means. And I really thought about it, and I was like, yo, those my initials, yo. So that's a nice little touch, man, from Casetify, man. Dope, nice little touch. You got that nice black and white band. I can already tell you what band I'm going to be rocking for New Year's this year. When I go out for New Year's, man, I'm about to be rocking this personalized band from Casetify, man. So same thing, just like the last one, man. Just another Saffiano band. Just a different design, of course, man. Very, very nice. Made out of that same material. You get some Casetify branding right there. Nice, nice little touch, man. So let's go ahead and slide this on. Very dope. I'm definitely rocking because the party I'm going to for New Year's is a black and white party. So Casetify, you are right on time with this watch band, man. So very nice looking band. Let's go ahead and slap it on. And here it is on the wrist, man. So very, very nice, classy design. Once again, you get plenty of adjustments there. Very nice quality, man. They don't feel like they're going to wear down over time. I like the little clasp right here. Just a very nice design, a nice little switch up if you're somebody who's like me and always rocks the sport band. So it's nice to just get a little different design, man. But this one right here is special to me, man. Personalized. This Apple Watch band isn't going anywhere, man. So this is another version of their Saffiano leather bands. Shout out to Casetify, man. Y'all got me with this one. And last but not least, man, we have the, flip it over on the back, we have the magnetic Apple Watch band. So I really, really like these bands. I think I had this band maybe for the series 1 maybe or 2. I can't remember. But I had this band. I really, really do enjoy these bands. So let's go ahead and get it up out the packaging. And you get that nice little magnetic design. So let's get that top out. Let's pull this bottom out right there. So here it is, man. This is a nice little blue color if you want to switch it up from your black. But of course, you get this nice little magnetic clip right here. So you already have there when he clips, you can just slap it over. Camera wants to adjust. Boom, there it is. And let's pop this bottom piece in. Boom. All right, here it is, man. So this is the magnetic band in a nice little blue color if you want to switch it up. I like blue as well, so this would be another one that I plan on rocking. I actually might go and get this in black because I really, really like these magnetic plans. So let's go ahead and get it fitted all up. And boom, here it is, man. Magnetic clasp. Very nice, very subtle design. And this is a nice little switch up if you want to rock something else but just don't want to have it on. Let me get it. I'm actually showing you guys how to loosen and tighten it. You can just tighten it up like this, each little slot, and then you just lay it over it. And here is the magnetic. That's a little tight. So you back it off a little bit there, flap it over. So here it is, man. This is basically the magnetic. You got to play with it to find that perfect little fit, man. But once you get it right, it is a nice fit. Has many different adjustable. I could say each one of these little lines is an adjustment, man. So you have plenty adjustments to match whatever size wrist you guys have out there. But this is a magnetic class. Really, really do like it, man. A little, you can just adjust it until you find that perfect notch. And here it is, man. So I really, really do like this case. I'm thinking about picking this up in black as well because I really, really like this. Comfortable, doesn't feel heavy at all, man. So here is the magnetic band. So here is all the bands, line them up, man. We have the Nylon series. So if you want to rock a nylon case, there it is. I'm pretty sure they have different colors over on their website. So definitely go over there and check them out. If you want to rock that Saffiano leather when it comes to those bands, definitely check out these two in the middle, man. Very nice quality leather on the back side of the bands. And if you want to rock with that classic magnetic strap band, which I really do like, man, you just loop it over and get your sizing right and all that. I was failing right there, but you can rock the magnetic band. But you already know, man, links to all of these will be down in the description below. I'll probably just throw their website up, man, because these aren't the only designs that you want to check out. If you want to check out Casetify, they have plenty of designs. And if they're anything like their phone cases, trust me, man, they have a design that fits your want. So if you like this video, man, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to rock with your boy, man. And comment down below. Let me know how you like these bands, man. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Later.